Hi, I'm Dr. Valérie Langlois. I'm an associate professor at INRS, l'Institut National de la Recherche Scientifique. I held the Canada Research Chair in Ecotoxicogenomics and Endocrine Disruption. In 2017, I received the Gorman Byrne Award from NASCI, the North American Society for Comparative Endocrinology. In 2019, I received the Young Researcher Award from l'Université du Québec, and more recently in 2020, the Young Researcher Award from Les Prix du Québec. Recently, with my colleague Dr. Isabelle Plante, also from INRS, we received the funding to create an important researcher network on endocrine disruption. It's called ICEDA, which stands for the Intersectoral Center for Endocrine Disruptors Analysis, of which I'm the director. My research group and we study the effects of contaminants that are present in the environment on the health of fish and wildlife, for example, frogs and birds, and so on.
Some contaminants are found in our environment, but also in the water, in the air, in food, in paint, in our floors, in the household products that we use daily, such as soaps, creams, plastic bottles, etc., which are called endocrine disruptors. These disruptors or intruders successfully enter our cells, as well as those of animals, and can mimic our natural hormones. This often excellent imitation allows endocrine disruptors to communicate to our body and make it do unwanted physiological actions that can lead to malformations, disease, cancers, which vary depending on the age at which we are exposed to.
ICEDA is a cross-sectoral group of researchers. It advocates the design and the development of research between researchers coming from the three main scientific teams: natural science and engineering, health sciences, and social and human sciences. We then speak of co-development and co-design of research. Together, we wish to co-solve the issue of endocrine disruption.
Our four areas of activities are first detection, monitoring, modeling, and treatment of endocrine disruptors. Next, the disruption of the reproductive axis. Then, the study of other physiological disruptions induced by endocrine disruptors. And finally, the environmental policies related to the issue of endocrine disruptors. ICEDA has just been created and counts already over 100 members from Canada, the United States, Argentina, Spain, France, the Netherlands, and Germany. Our researchers are working on a variety of endocrine disruptors, including those belonging to the groups of pesticides, plastics, pharmaceuticals, and many more. In my name and that of the members of ICEDA team, I thank you, and I invite you to follow us on our social networks.